Sam?
Hi.
Oh, it's record. I think I'm pretty sure it's recording now.
Hey, it's working.
Yay. Mm.
How's it going?
It's it's been such a lazy day.
What? Lazy day? Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm so jealous right
Well, I woke up at like 11:30
now. I hate you.
and then went to dance class and then
What dance class are you taking?
I'm taking 281.
What's 281?
I took it's like intermediate social dance. So I took
Oh,
280.
okay.
I took 180, um 181 and then 280 and now 281.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but yeah, give me 1 second. How are you doing today? You look, you look good. You look
It's
really, really good.
it has been uh the last like week and a half because I've been doing my CNA program is just like last week I told you about it. It's killing me. Like I'm done this week, but like Thursday and Friday I have two clinicals that are 12 hours long.
Oh,
So I have to be there at 5:30, and I won't probably even get home until like 6:30 at night.
oh, ouch. That's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
What day is this?
That's Thursday, Friday, but the other days I'm in class from 8 to 6, so it's pretty close to the same.
Thursday, Friday. Ouch. You got this, buddy. You got this. By the way, I don't have a lot of days like this, so I when I do,
You
man,
take advantage of them.
it's so good. So good. Okay.
Yeah, next week I'm just gonna completely catch up and just kind of relearn everything.
Yeah, got it right.
Hmm.
Um, sorry, 1 second. Okay. All right.
Okay. So do you want to just go over a couple of the answers and then just start on the group thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so confidence interval. Oh, we can actually start on the second part, I guess. We don't have to go with the first part. What are three assumptions that need to be checked before you compute a confidence interval for a mean? A simple random, if the sample was randomly selected from the population,
Mhm.
the distribution of the sample mean is normally distributed, and sigma is assuming.
So, yep.
Or what is number seven? What is the point estimate for the population mean 541?
Hmm.
Create a 95% confidence interval. So that's just go on each. Just take the standard. Did you get that one?
95% confidence interval. So you so you do the using the standard deviation, right? It's not just like using from the mean, it's just like it's 95%, which is how many standard deviation away from the mean again? It's like three, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
Yeah.
three.
Yeah. So then the other one that's sample size changes to n. So then it's going to get a little bit smaller. So 534 and 547 approximately.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Um Should we just move on to the thingy?
And then let's see, how does the margin of error, blah, blah, blah. The margin of error gets smaller as the sample size grows larger. That's kind of intuitive. We've been talking about that.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
90% interval, around 533 and 548.
Yeah, brother. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Should we open up the quiz?
Yep.
Yeah, so Thursday when we do our meeting, I'm going to be a zombie again. Because I'll be just getting home from the 12 hours of clinicals.
Oh man, it's living the life, huh?
I just want to, it'll be better when I'm actually working. I mean, I'm still going to be doing like 12-hour shifts and stuff, but it's going to be different because it's like, it's not so like mentally draining as it is going to school for 10 hours and then coming home and doing homework all night.
Yeah,
Just like, it's different.
it is. Totally.
Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is
Of deviation of 50 and equals 25. That I did would be 16.45. Let's just doing that.
do what?
It's 16.45.
16.45?
Yep.
Is this round to 3 decimal places? Is there not another?
Yeah, it's just 16.45 because you rounded up.
Okay. Which of the following statements is true?
Mean is a point estimator of deviation Oh, it's this one. It's the sample mean is a point estimator of population mean.
So which one is that?
It's the X line is a point estimator of a U.
Okay. That's right now. Okay.
Okay, next one is Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT score. She knows the standard deviation. Collect a similar random sample of size n equals 64. Compute mean sample mean of 526. Use this form information. What is the lower limit of the confidence interval? Lower limit. So it'd be
The lower limit. Where did it go? Do you know what the lower one is?
yeah. I'm still working it out.
Okay.
Okay. So if right, the lower limit should be 498.3 around, yeah. So 498.315.
Okay.
And the upper limit would be 553.685.
553.685.
Yeah.
And then, okay, so what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? A decrease, right?
Yes, it would. You're right. It would decrease. And then what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99 confidence? It would increase for sure.
Increase, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Bright blue light bulb comes playing.
Dude, I love these pumpkin cookies.
Pumpkin cookies? Where'd you get them?
Yeah, some girls made them for us.
Those are like the easiest cookies to make.
Yeah.
Like there's like a really intense recipe to make them, and then there's like one that's like so easy.
Yeah. I don't know which one this is, but it's so good. I would give you some if you were here.
That sounds good. Let's see. What sample size do they need? Oh, okay.
Um. mm,
So you're just gonna work it backwards.
Yeah. So. mm, Sample size, it'd be, so it's m equals z times standard deviation over the square root of n. So
Okay.
that's the margin of error. But then if you to give it backwards, you do n. So wait, I need to calculate. Yeah, actually, I'll just solve it. So n and then times z times standard deviation over the margin of error, and then square all of that.
Okay.
So let me work it out real quick. So it would be 245. Whole number, so 245.
Just 2, 4, or 5?
Yeah, that should be right.
Oh, because just whole numbers, yeah. They with the margin of what sample size? Oh, okay, so that's the number for the thing. Okay, cool.
I just have to go to the gym tonight.
Yeah, I haven't been in like 5 days.
Uh-oh.
It's bad. But you're eating cookies, so you really should go.
Oh, snap. What are you saying?
I'm just kidding. I'll probably go binge eat a bunch of ice cream because I'm stressed out.
What are you saying, Sam? I'm fat?
No, I'm not saying that at all.
Really? Because you sounded like it.
You're just eating cookies.
Right, so the mean is 100,000. Standard deviation is 36,730. It's to know if the mean salary for women actually is different from the mean population mean. So with a setup of a hypothesis test with a level of significance of 5%, and um, the no hypothesis is 100,000. Alternative hypothesis is not 100,000. A simple random sample of 36 women. Find that the sample mean is 111,000. Okay. But to calculate the lower limit and the upper limit. Um, um, upper. So how about, so I'll calculate the lower limit, you calculate the upper limit, okay? Sam?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do the upper one.
Yeah, I'll calculate the lower, you do the upper.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay. Upper confidence level.
so standard deviation. Mean.
So I got 122,999.
Sweet. 122,999.
Mm-hmm.
And I got 99,002. Because it's the whole number.
99002.
Yep.
Okay, cool. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing confidence interval for me. They are all of the above. No.
There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computer. They are all of the above. That statement itself, it's all of the above.
It is all of the above.
Well, obviously, because the statement there are three requirements that needs to be checked. They
Oh.
are
Yeah. That's funny.
all of the above. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna submit. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Cool.
Boom. All right, man. I'll go ahead and post this to the thing.
Alrighty. Everybody have a good night, okay?
All right. I'll talk to you Thursday. We can do it. I'll be
Sweet.
home around 6, so anytime after that.
Awesome. Have a good night.
All
Get
right,
to
man. See ya.
You're awesome.